As more and more people turn to natural remedies for their health and wellness needs, it's no surprise that castor oil has become a popular choice. This ancient oil boasts a rich history filled with therapeutic and medicinal properties that continue to make it a versatile and affordable option for those seeking natural solutions. In this captivating video, we will delve into the amazing uses of castor oil that you need to know. Prepare to be astounded as we explore its moisturizing and nourishing properties for skin and hair, as well as its ability to relieve constipation and its potential to reduce joint pain. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this simple yet remarkable oil. Whether you are new to the realm of natural health and wellness or a seasoned pro, this video is certain to offer valuable information and tips for enhancing your health and well-being. So let's dive right in and explore the incredible benefits of castor oil, including achieving nourished skin and nails. Nourished skin and nails. Castor oil offers multiple benefits for the skin, including moisturizing properties. Its high content of fatty acids and vitamin E makes it an excellent emollient that deeply penetrates the skin surface, providing long-lasting hydration. Moreover, the presence of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid in castor oil, helps strengthen the skin's natural barrier function, protecting it from moisture loss and environmental stressors. Furthermore, castor oil's moisturizing properties make it an ideal choice for nourishing dry and brittle nails while promoting healthy nail growth. Directly applying it to the nails and cuticles provides essential nutrients that strengthen the nail bed, preventing breakage and splitting. Relieve constipation. Castor oil, a natural remedy used for centuries, has proven to be effective in relieving constipation. This is due to the high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid found in the oil, which acts as a natural laxative. When consumed, ricinoleic acid is released in the small intestine and metabolizes into a substance that activates the EP3 prostaglandin receptor. This receptor stimulation triggers increased contractions and movements of the bowel, thereby providing relief from constipation and promoting regularity. It is important to exercise caution when using castor oil as a laxative. Overuse or excessive dosage may lead to diarrhea, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalances. Pregnant women and individuals with gastrointestinal disorders should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into their regimen. Arthritis and joint pain. Arthritis and joint pain can cause immense debilitation, leading to stiffness, limited range of motion, and persistent pain. However, there is a centuries-old natural remedy that has gained popularity for its undeniable effectiveness in reducing inflammation and relieving joint pain: castor oil. When applied topically, castor oil deeply penetrates the skin and tissues, providing soothing relief and relaxation to the aching joints. This powerful oil is also abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. By diminishing the production of inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules responsible for joint pain and inflammation, castor oil proves to be an ally in alleviating discomfort and enhancing mobility. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, castor oil is believed to optimize blood flow and circulation in the affected area. This increased blood flow acts as a catalyst, nourishing the joints with vital nutrients and oxygen, ultimately promoting the healing process and reducing overall pain. So, if you find yourself struggling with arthritis or joint pain, consider incorporating the topical application of castor oil into your regimen. It may just be the solution you've been seeking for relief from these distressing symptoms. Menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps, a common issue faced by many women during their monthly cycle, can range from mild discomfort to debilitating pain, often disrupting daily activities. Seeking relief from these cramps, we present to you a natural and effective remedy: castor oil. Possessing anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil aids in reducing the associated inflammation and discomfort of menstrual cramps. When applied to the lower abdomen, this absorbent oil penetrates deep into the tissues, providing soothing relief and relaxation to the muscles. Furthermore, it improves blood flow to the pelvic area, alleviating pain and cramping. This increased circulation not only eases discomfort but also promotes healing and reduces the duration of menstrual cramps. Choosing castor oil as a safe and natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers offers a reliable solution for relieving menstrual cramps and pain. Embrace this remedy and bid farewell to the troublesomeness of menstrual cramps. Heal fungal infections. Castor oil is a beneficial natural remedy for treating fungal infections, including ringworm and athlete's foot. It contains undecylonic acid, a compound known for its antifungal properties. When applied topically to the affected area, castor oil helps prevent the growth and spread of fungi while promoting healing. Additionally, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil may alleviate inflammation and itching associated with fungal infections, providing further relief. Using castor oil as a safe and affordable alternative to over-the-counter medications is a wise choice, as it avoids harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients that can cause adverse side effects. Soothe your fungal infections with the power of castor oil today. Use for eye problems. Castor oil use in eye problems in recent years in treating eye problems has gained popularity. Many people have found castor oil to be effective in reducing the symptoms of dry eyes, including burning, itching, and redness. The oil's thick consistency also helps to protect the eyes, making it an excellent choice for those who suffer from exposure to harsh environmental conditions. Additionally, it has been shown to help reduce inflammation and swelling, making it useful in treating conditions such as inflammation of the eyelids, also known as blepharitis, and styes. While more research is needed to fully understand castor oil's effects on eye health, many people have found relief through its use. To effectively use castor oil for relieving dry eyes, follow these steps. 1. Start by thoroughly washing your hands. 2. Tilt your head back and use a dropper to place 1 or 2 drops of castor oil into each eye. 3. Blink your eyes several times to ensure even distribution of the oil across the eye's surface. In addition to dry eyes, castor oil eye drops can also be used for treating conjunctivitis and blepharitis. These conditions are characterized by inflammation and infection of the eyelids and conjunctiva, resulting in redness, itching, and discharge. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce inflammation, prevent infection, and promote faster healing. Overall, castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy that can effectively promote eye health and provide relief for dry and irritated eyes. Its lubricating and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for treating various eye conditions. However, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider before using castor oil or any other natural remedy if you are experiencing dry eyes or other eye problems. Prevent hair loss. Hair loss is a common concern for both men and women. Fortunately, castor oil can help promote hair growth by stimulating blood circulation to the scalp and providing essential nutrients to the hair follicles. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can promote a healthy scalp. Moreover, when applied to the scalp, castor oil can improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, delivering vital nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids to the hair roots. This process stimulates healthy hair growth and helps prevent hair loss. In addition to its hair growth benefits, castor oil also nourishes and strengthens the hair. It is abundant in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair growth. These fatty acids ensure proper hair moisturization, preventing hair breakage and split ends. To use castor oil for hair growth, massage a small amount of oil into your scalp and hair, ensuring to cover the roots. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes or overnight, then wash it out with a mild shampoo. An effective way to enhance the benefits of castor oil is by incorporating complementary natural ingredients. Coconut oil, rosemary oil, or tea tree oil can be excellent choices. Considering castor oil for your hair care routine can certainly improve overall hair health. Castor oil is a natural and versatile remedy that offers a wide range of health and beauty benefits. Whether you want to moisturize dry skin, alleviate joint pain, or promote hair growth, castor oil has got you covered. For centuries, it has been used for its therapeutic and medicinal properties. Experience the wonders of castor oil and unlock its potential to enhance your overall well-being. Medical disclaimer. Front page Holistic Natural Remedies does not provide medical advice and should not be considered a replacement for professional medical judgment. The information provided is solely for educational purposes. The determination of medical services and appropriate patient care should only be made by a licensed healthcare professional. If you have any health-related inquiries, it is always advisable to consult with a physician or other qualified healthcare provider. It's important to also note that while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with someone that it could help. Then please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment saying that you had subscribed, and we will try to reply as soon as we can. Thank you again for watching. Please check in regularly for more need-to-know natural remedies.